Guys, in this video, I just want to explain to you guys how to set up Voice.ai. Voice.ai, for those of you that don't know, is a Windows application, Windows software that you can use to change your voice from man to woman and woman to man voice, okay? You can also use Voice.ai to clone, but the cloning aspect of it is not that perfect. So I've gotten a lot of questions from people when I tell them to download and install Voice.ai, they will still come back to me to tell me that they don't know how to set it up. So that is the reason why I'm making this video, step by step, on how to download it and set it up. Okay? It works on gaming systems. It also works on normal system, but you must make sure that your CPU and your RAM is quite high. Okay? So we are going to get down to my laptop now. Let me share with you guys the process. Go to a new browser, go to google.com and type voice.ai and search. But apart from this, instead of you going through this way, because voice.ai is actually the site, so there's no need for you to search it in Google. You can just go to the address bar and just type voice.ai so that it's going to take you directly to the website. Now, let's click on enter. So you guys can see that this is the website. Click on get started for free and download. Okay, once you click on get started for free, it has downloaded the software. Okay, I've downloaded it before. This is going to make it the second time. So it's either you click it from there or you go to your download and you will see the file. Okay, this is the one I downloaded previously and this is one I just downloaded now. Now double click on it and yes, just very easy installation. Okay, this one has popped up. The Voice.ai has popped up. Agree. Next. And the installation has started. So I'm going to fast forward this section of this video. Once it's done installing, then I'll tell you guys step by step on how to set it up. So you guys can see that it's done. Then click on finish. Then wait for the application to load. Now this is Voice.ai. It's now installing other files, 100%. Now open this window very well. Come with friends and follow link. Whichever way you click here, it doesn't matter. Work, professional use. So click on it. So here you can see create an account, sign in into Voice.ai. So what you need to do now is create an account. If you don't have an account, and it's going to take you to the website where you're going to create an account. So here I'm going to say sign in with Google. I don't want to start putting password and all that. So I'm going to choose this particular email. Yes, continue. Now click on open so that you can open in the app. You can also put your own email, put password and all that. But I'm just taking the easy route. Okay. So you guys can see quarterly plan $5.99 per month. Annual plan $2.49 per month. Now let me close this. I'm not going to subscribe. I just want to show you guys how to use the software. Now when you get here, this is the interface. This is the actual software. Now, while we open this software, you guys can see that it's downloading the live mode. So something is downloading. So allow this to finish downloading. It's still downloading. I think it's downloading different voices, female and male voices. So we have to allow this to download. Once it's done downloading, I think we'll have more options, more voices to choose from. So just wait until this downloads. This is the process that you have to take. Don't be in a hurry. Okay, so in case if you are getting it confused on how to use Voice.ai, this is the steps, right? Just wait for this to finish downloading. So you guys can see that we're almost getting to the end of the download. We're getting to the end. It's almost done. Right. You guys can see that this button is now active. That voice changer is now active after the first download, second download, and this is going through the third download. So don't be in a hurry if you want to set up Voice.ai. A lot of people have been telling me, Chairman, they don't know how to do this, they tried it, but it's not working on the system, blah, blah, blah. It is actually just allow everything to finish downloading completely so that it will download all the features the software needs to work on your system. This one is almost done as well. I think this is the third time it's downloading files. Okay, you can see initializing. So switch voice. You guys can see that after the download, switch voice. Once you click on switch voice, you will now have different voices to choose from. Okay, now my voices. Once you click on my voices, let's try on my voices. I just want to check something. My voices, create a voice, upload a voice. So you can upload your own voice that you want to use and sound like. Okay, so you can extract voice from a video of somebody that you want to sound like, right? And put the MP3 file here by clicking here. Do you understand? But let's leave that. Create a voice. You can also create a voice of your own. Okay. All right. I don't want to go into that. I just want to show you guys how to set it up. Now, ultra fast. And whenever you click on any of these voices, don't forget that the voice will start downloading. Okay, this one is trend, this one is 10, this one is used. Now, for those of you that wants to use it for Skype, Zoom, every other platform, please, this is where it comes in now, okay? Voice.ai has live mode and has record mode. If you're on record mode, you're only trying to record an audio on the system, an audio that you want to save on the system, okay? Click here to record. Once you click here to record, you start recording your own audio. Now, for you to set up your mic, you have to come over here, select input, click here and select the mic that works on your system. You can try all these mics, okay? Manicam, leave Manicam, Wecam, leave Wecam, AMD, okay? AMD array. This one is okay. This one works on most systems. Now, live mode, if you want to make live video call on WhatsApp, on Zoom, on Skype, different application, okay? This is where you have to come to. Now you have to click on, if you want to do it, select the voice first that you want to use. Once you select the voice comes in here. Now click on Start Voice Changer. Once you click on Start Voice Changer, but make sure that this audio input is moving. Let's stop this. If this is like now, if you go back to record and go and change this mic, let's change it to this, go back to live mode. You see, I'm talking now and there's no movement, there's no wave. This is not moving. So, which means your mic is not working. So, bear that in mind, right? So, if you want to set your mic, go back to record mode and come over here. Let's select like Oculus, blah, blah, blah. Let's select Manicam. Let's go back. You see, it's not moving. So, what works mostly on every system is microphone array, ARRAY. Okay. Select this. Once you select this, if you go to live mode, you notice that there's movement here now, which means your mic is working. Now, if you want to talk faster, you can set this and bring it front, okay, just like that. So, if you want to hear yourself, you can click here. Hello, hello. Okay. Now, of this, let's click here. Let's check a woman's voice. I think this should be a woman. Right? Let's wait. I'm going to hear myself. Let's see how this voice sounds. So let me hear myself. Now, start voice changer. Let me hear myself. Hello? 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 Okay. Now, bear in mind that if you want to use this Voice.ai, if you want your voice to be very clear, you have to use a wireless mic. This wireless mic is not connected to the system. It's connected to my phone. Okay, stop. This sounds far much better when you put wireless mic directly on your Type-C port on your system. Okay, if you're using this kind of K9 or K10 or K11 mic, connect it directly on your port, the port of your Type-C port in your system, and use this mic and be communicating. It sounds much, much better. I'm still going to try it in this video so that you guys will see how it sounds. Okay, so okay, what I have to do now is let me just do this now. Let's see how it sounds. I'm going to unplug my Type-C and plug it on the system, right? Woo. So now this is my Type-C. Okay. Okay. My Type-C is now plugged. Let's go back to this and Microsoft microphone USB audio 1.0. This is my Type-C. Now let's go back to live mode. Hello. Now let me start this. Let's see how this voice sounds. Hear yourself. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
You guys can see
You guys can see
that the voice
and the voice
flows better
flows better now
than before.
than before.
Let's increase
Let's
this.
increase this.
Hello.
Hello?
Starting.
Top 10.
Now let me still revisit.
Still visit.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello?
Now let's
Now
try and
let's
use
try
a
and use a
different
different
voice.
voice.
Let me
Let
check
me check
if this
if
is
this is
moving.
moving.
Okay.
Okay.
Use this
Use
guy's
this guy's
voice.
voice.
Initialize him. Now start. Hear yourself. Hello.
Hello?
See this guy's
This guy's
voice is deeper
voice is deeper
than mine.
than mine.
Wow.
Wow.
This voice
This
sounds
voice sounds
crazy
present
and it's flowing
and it's flowing
because of
because of
the external
the
mic
external mic
that I plugged
that I plugged right inside the laptop.
desktop.
Desktop.
Go
Go
over.
over.
Um,
Um,
there are
there
voices
are voices
anyway. There
anyway.
are
There
still
are
different
still different
voices.
voices.
Can go to
Can go to
all.
all.
In all,
All.
let's use
This is
this.
this.
Initializing.
As in,
I want to show you guys
show you
how the
guys
voice
how the voice
sounds.
sounds.
Start. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
How are you?
How are you?
Change to another voice.
It's another voice.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
This voice is
This
quiet.
voice is
So you
quiet.
can
So you
select
can
any
select
voice,
any
whether man
voice,
or
whether
woman
man or
from
woman
here.
from here.
Okay.
Okay.
Now go
Now
to live
go to
mode if
live
you want
mode
to
if
make
you want to
live
make live
call.
call.
Make sure you
Make
start
sure you
voice
start voice
changer.
changer.
Do not hear yourself. Okay? Do not hear yourself when it comes to hear yourself. Because once you
Because
click
once
hear
you click hear
yourself,
yourself,
it will be
it will be
repeating.
repeating.
So do not hear yourself. So let me unplug this. Let's continue making the video from my phone. Okay, back on my phone. So what we'll have to do now is once you come over here and start voice. Okay, let's go back. It's not recognizing any mic. Let's go back to um, the array that we were before and go and start. You see, now it has started, but before it did not start. Okay, so we are live now. Once you click on this live, once you click on this start voice changer, you're live. So what you need to do is if you go to any application, Skype, Zoom, and go to the setting and go to the video and audio, all right? Once you go to the video and audio section and select the audio section, the input, mic input, you will see Voice.ai. Do you understand what I'm saying? So once you select microphone Voice.ai, my Skype is not logged in here. Messenger, all those ones are not logged in. If not, I could have, but it's quite easy. Setting there, you go to audio and video. Once you get to audio, make sure you select the one that has Voice.ai as input. Once you select Voice.ai as input in that application, whatever you're saying here, once this thing is live, like I showed you guys, once this one is on, turned on, it's showing red, that means whichever voice you select here is what is taking to any application that you select Voice.ai. That is the voice I'll be going to through that application, right? Make sure you put a wireless mic. You guys can see with the wireless mic, the voice comes out better than when you did not put mic at all, right? So it's quite very easy for you to set this up. Just come here, create an account. Then you can now buy time by clicking here. You can now buy, whatever subscription that you feel like. Okay, after trying it out, you feel is okay for you. And now you can also add your own voice. Don't forget, you can also add your own voice like I showed you guys. Okay, you can add your own voice. This switch mode. Up. You can add your own voice by once you click here. Okay, once you click on to select your own voice, go to my own voice here, allow it to load. Now create a voice or upload a voice, which is MP3, and your voice will be among this list in all. Do you understand? Name it whatever you want to name it. Then you can use the voice that you uploaded on this software to sound like that voice. Okay, so those of you that have been asking me about Voice.ai, please, this video, I think this video explains everything. These are the two things that you want: record or live mode, to use it on every other application. So I've explained everything, and it's quite very easy to set up. It's not much of a big work. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Aswiken Kingsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in a daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my video, make sure you hit the subscription button and make sure turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to know as I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. Like always, you guys should stay creative and remain blessed.